Hello student, today our topic standard form of a rational number. How to convert a rational number into a standard form. We will follow two steps. In step 1, denominator should be positive. Means if denominator is not positive, we will make the denominator positive. According to step 2, rational number should be in simplest form. Means we will divide numerator and denominator of a rational number by highest common factor. After division, the form of the rational number will be simplest form. Let us take an example. 33 by 77. Question number first part. Here denominator is already positive, so no need to follow the first step. Now check it is a simplest form or not. No, it is not a simplest form. Why? Because there is a common factor between numerator and denominator. What is 11? Means 11 numerator और denominator दोनों को cancel कर रहा है. That is a common factor. 33, 77 we will divide by the common factor, highest common factor. That is 11. After division, it will be 3 by 7. Now 3 by 7 cannot be divided further by any common number. So it is a standard form of the given rational. Clear? Now take another example, second part, 64 by minus 20. Now in this part, denominator is negative, not positive. So first we will make the denominator positive. How to convert negative to positive denominator? We will multiply by the negative sign. -1 we can say. We know same sign multiply will be a positive number and different sign multiply got a negative number. 64 multiply negative sign, so it will be minus 64 and it is positive 20. Now the highest common factor of 64 and 20 means 64 और 20 को सबसे बड़ा common factor जो divide करता है, that is 4. We will divide it by 4. You can cancel also. 16 by 5. Further, 16 by 5 cannot be divided by any common number. So, it is a standard form. Okay. So, do the third part and fourth part like the same first and second. In third part, make the denominator positive by multiplying the negative sign. And in fourth part, no need to convert the denominator into the positive form. Already it is positive. Cancel by the common factor. Now come on the question number 3. In question number 3, check whether the following rational numbers are in standard form. If not, write them in standard form. We will do this question in book. We have to check that it is in the standard form or not. If it is not, so we will convert into the standard form. First part, minus 3 by 19. First check the denominator. It is positive. Now check it is simplest form. Yes, it is simplest form because there is no highest common factor in between 3 and 19 that can divide both. So it is simplest form. Okay, so standard form, we have to check that it is in the standard form or not. So reply in yes or no. It is yes, it is in standard form. In second part, 4 by minus 7. 4 by minus 7 is in standard form? No. Why? Because denominator is negative. If it is not in standard form, then write in standard form. So make the denominator positive. And we know how to make the denominator positive by multiplying the negative sign. That will be minus 4 by 7. Okay. In third part, denominator is positive, but it is not simplest form. So, which number is the highest common in between 14 and 35? That cancel, or we can say that divide the both. Yes, 7. 7 we can divide it by 7. 7 2 are 14, 7 5 are 35. So our number is 7 by 5. That is in the standard form. Okay. So here answer is no. No, it is not in the standard form, and we have converted it into the standard form, that is 7 by 5. Fourth, no, it is not in the standard form. Denominator is not positive, and it is not a simplest form also. So first make the denominator positive. After multiply by -1, it will be -8 by 72. Okay. Now this number will be cancelled by a common factor, highest common factor, that is 8. We can cancel or we can divide. Both the meaning are same. 8 1 ja 8, 8 9 ja 72. Our required standard form is -1 by 9.